If you walked into your U.S. citizenship interview confident and walked out with a denial, you're not alone. And more importantly, that denial does not always mean the end of your case. For many people, a citizenship denial feels devastating. You've lived here for years, you followed the rules, you stayed out of trouble, and suddenly, because of a misunderstanding or a confusing interview question, everything feels like it's been taken away in a single moment. Here's what many applicants don't realize. USCIS officers are human. They can misunderstand your answers, misread a document, or apply the law incorrectly, especially during fast-paced interviews where nerves are high. A denial doesn't always mean you did something wrong. Sometimes it means something was missed. If your application was otherwise solid and you did not violate immigration laws, you may have the right to challenge that decision through an administrative appeal. Think of it as asking for a second review where a more senior officer looks at your case with fresh eyes. But timing matters. In most cases, you have only 30 days from the date on the denial notice to act. Waiting too long or starting over with a brand new application can actually make things worse if the original issue isn't corrected. An appeal allows you to clarify confusing answers, submit missing evidence, or correct mistakes in the record. It's not about fighting the government. It's about making sure the decision is accurate and fair. The biggest mistake we see is people giving up or guessing their way through the next step. You've invested too much time and effort to let one interview derail your future. If you've received a citizenship denial and believe it was a mistake, contact our office as soon as possible. A timely review of your denial could make the difference between moving forward and starting over. Schedule a consultation today so we can help you determine your best next step.